Want to know about the top 5 industries that Abdos products serve? To know that, keep watching. Number 1. Pharmaceuticals. Responsible for discovery, development and manufacturing of drugs and medications. Number 2. Biotechnology and Bio-pharma. Responsible for developing and manufacturing of medical therapies. Number 3. Academia and research. Focused on research and development in pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, etc. Number 4. Diagnostics and healthcare. Responsible for timely diagnosis and treatment of illnesses. Number 5. Allied. Involving different industries that are working together in some way. Abdos Life Sciences. Advancing science with quality.